Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my ninth lesson of D4 chapter number 2 exercise 2a, that is about application of Venn diagram in problem sums. In this lesson I will solve advanced level question number 21. Let's read the question first and understand and underline important terms of the question. Question says, in a certain community center, there are 90 youths. For out of these youths, 43 take up dancing, 42 sewing, and 48 swimming. It's really important to underline important terms of the question. 16 dancing and sewing, 17 sewing and swimming, and 22 swimming and dancing. If each takes up at least one of the activity, and X youths take up all three activities, express these facts in Venn diagram, show clearly the number in each separate region in terms of X, and form an equation that is satisfied by X, and hence find the value of X. Now let's move to the solution of question. Question says that there are a total of 90 people in this group, and out of these 90, the number of people who are taking part in dancing is 43, sewing is 42, swimming is 48, and dancing intersection sewing is 16, sewing intersection swimming is 17, and swimming intersection dancing is 22, and the number of people who are taking part in all three activities is X. We know for three events, for three intersectional diagrams, this is a portion which is represented by all three events. So this part of the diagram will be marked with letter X. Now the question says that we have to label each part of the diagram in terms of X. Now, if we look at the information which is given for dancing intersection sewing, that is 16. Now, we need to find the value of this region only. Dancing intersection sewing contains this X as well. So, for this portion, the answer will be 16 minus X. Coming to sewing intersection swimming, it will be 17 minus X, and for dancing intersection swimming, that is 22, and it will become 22 minus X. Now the information for the dancing, total for the dancing is 43. Now we have to find that how many people are taking part in dancing only. For that purpose, what we have to do, we know that the total of dancing, number of people who are taking part in dancing is 43. So what we have to do, we can mark it with small letter D, and this can be S and this can be S dash for the differentiation. Now D plus 16 minus X plus 22 minus X plus X will be equal to 43. Now I can simplify this X with this X, and I will left with D plus 16 plus 22 minus X equals to 43, and D plus 6 and 2 8, and 2 and 1 38 minus X equals to 43, as we have to find the answer in form of X. So what I have to do, I have to shift this expression to other side, and my equation will take the form 43 minus 38 minus X, and it will become 43 minus 38 plus X. Okay, now take away 38 from 43, and I will left with 5 plus X. So 5 plus X are the members who are taking part in dancing only. For dancing only, the expression is 5 plus X. I can write this expression in my Venn diagram as well, because the question says that mark the elements in terms of X. Coming to the second information, that is about the sewing. The total of the sewing is 42. Number of elements of sewing is 42. Now look at the circle of sewing that is containing S plus 16 minus x plus 17 minus x equal to 42. Simplify this x with this x and I will left with S plus 16 plus 17 minus x equal to 42. 16 plus 17 will give me 33. S plus 33 minus x equal to 42. Now in order to get value of s, I have to shift this term to other side and s will be equal to 42 minus 33 plus x, and s will be equal to minus 42, and that is 9 plus x. So the number of people who take part in sewing only is s equals to 9 plus x. 9 plus x. And now moving to find the number of people who take part in swimming only, that is marked with s dash. Okay, number of people of swimming, total people who take part in swimming are 48. Again, form the equation, and equation will contain 22 minus x plus 17 minus x plus s dash equal to 48. And now simplify this x with this x and I'm left with 22 plus 17 minus x plus s dash equal to 48. 7 and 2 is 9. 7 plus 2 is 9. 39 minus x plus s dash equals to 48. In order to get value of s dash, that only swimming, what I have to do, I have to shift the extra term, that is 39 minus x to other side, 48 minus 39 plus x. 48 minus 39 is 9 plus x. S dash is 9 plus x. 9 plus x, and mark this element at the respective place. S dash only swimming 9 plus x. 9 plus x. Now the first part was that we have to show each element at their respective place. We have shown that in terms of x, and the second part says form an equation in x that set is satisfied by x, and we have to find the value of x. For that, what we have to do, that we know that there are total 90 people who are taking part in all three activities. So what we will be doing, we'll be forming the equation that d plus 16 minus x plus s plus 22 minus x plus 17 minus x plus s dash equal to 90. Now d has the value 5 plus x. D has the value 5 plus x plus 16 minus x. 16 minus x. S has the value 9 plus x plus 22 minus x plus 17 minus x, and s dash has the value 9 plus x again, equal to 90. Now solve this equation carefully. X can go with this x can go with this x, and this x can go with this x, and I'm left with 1x. And now from the constants, I have 5 plus 16 plus 9 plus 22 plus 17 plus 9. Let me recheck the data. 5 plus 16 plus 9 plus 22 plus 17 plus 9 and plus x equal to 90. Add up these numbers carefully. 5 plus 16 plus 9 plus 22 plus 17 plus 9 gives me 78 plus x equals to 90. In order to get value of x, shift 78 to other side. Make x the subject of formula. 90 minus 78 will give me 12. So x equals to 12. So this is the requirement of question. I hope you are clear about this question. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Watch my lesson, like, share and subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.